Okay, you guys, got a new project today. Sun Visor for this 2014 Nissan Altima. Kind of useless. Bad shape here. Be right back. Okay, guys, you'll find the link to this in the description. My Amazon associate account for this Sun Visor and also whatever might work for your car. So here we go. Okay, guys, this piece of plastic here, you can see it's got a separation in it. This should just pop off. There we go. You can see there's a little tab there on this side and right here, that here, and here. So that's what you're doing, trying to pop those out. Got two bolts here. These are 7mm. Okay, you can see this here kind of slips over this. You can kind of pull it toward you, and it'll basically fall out. Now you got this tab, or this electrical connector. There. Okay, that's all. Now we reverse it. And this can only go one way. There we go. Pop that back up there. And that should just snap right on. There we go. That looks a lot nicer too, doesn't it? And the light works. Cool. All right, you guys. I've heard estimates of like $200 to, for the visor and having somebody else install it. Do this stuff yourself. There's absolutely no reason to pay somebody to do this. Anyway, yeah, look for more videos coming up pretty quick here. Love you guys. Appreciate every single one of you. How's that? Appreciate every single one of you. Please like and share this video with a like-minded person. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.